Welcome to Raglan Electric Bikes and a little bit of an explanation about the Bafang BBS02 motor. This converts normal bikes into electric bikes. It's powerful, reliable and fun. So here, look, it will fit. Here it is on a cargo bike. Here it is on a nice surly fat bike, which is heaps of fun. Here it is on my cross-country downhill bike, and this one has taken an absolute pounding all over many trails such as the Heafy track around New Zealand, and it's proven itself exceptionally strong. And here's one on a customer's bike that's being picked up later today. Okay, so why am I so excited about this? What's good about this? So it fits here where the pedals would normally be on or the bottom bracket would be on a normal bike. So you take out your bottom bracket and you put it through here. You put your battery up on the water bottle mounts, or maybe on the rear luggage rack if it doesn't fit and you have got a luggage rack. Put the controls up on the handlebars and you're away. So the motor, the standard, fits bottom brackets between 68 and 73 millimeters wide. So let's go to this one that's on a stand. So it goes in there. It comes with a basic chain ring. We strongly recommend upgrading to a Lecky bling ring. There's many reasons why they're nicer. You need to put a battery. We sell batteries. And then you've got it all together. So it works in two ways. You've got your controls here. One way it works is on a little throttle here. And another way is on pedal assist. So you see level 1 here. Pedal, and it starts helping. Stop pedaling and it stops. Also, if you use the brake sensors supplied with the bike, or the brake levers with the sensors in, if you pull the brake, the throttle won't work. So I put the throttle on, nothing. Which is a great safety feature. That, in a nutshell, is what you get for your money. You get a really powerful motor, and you get everything you need once you've chosen a battery to fit it. It's relatively straightforward to fit, but if you're not confident, your bike mechanic will be happy to do it for you. There are a couple of little things that you can upgrade to. I've already mentioned the chainring. So where's a bike that's got one on it? Here. These chain rings are really nice. They're very well deeply dished, so the chain line is good. And they also have a technology called narrow wide. So you've got a wide and a narrow, which fits in with your chain, narrow and wide. They are really good. You can get them in different sizes to suit the bike, to suit your gearing, suit your riding style. I strongly recommend those. Something else that we do is a gear shift sensor that goes in the gear shifting line and cuts the power when you change gear, so it protects all of your rear sprocket and chain. Those are okay if you are not a very sensitive rider. They're not really essential. We do colour displays, an upgrade from the standard black and white, and we do at the moment 2 sizes of battery. So this is our 13 amp hour, good for at least 40 kilometers. If you're lightweight, it'll be further. If you're lightweight and you put a lot of effort in, don't just rely on the motor, it'll be further still. So we do the 13 amp hour battery and we do a slightly bigger 17 amp hour battery. We also do all kinds of things. We do crazy conversions, but that is essentially the Bafang motor. If you have any queries, please get in touch. If you'd like to buy one, check out raglanelectricbikes.co.nz, most likely /store, and you'll be able to order them there. And I hope this has been useful to you. Thank you.